As part of the global community, we're concerned about the sustainability of our environment.
I'm really interested to see how people can change their behavior in terms of their environment and be able to prevent things such as cancer, heart disease.
Being in an environmental field is very, very exciting. It can really make a contribution to the health and welfare of people around the world.
The Division of Environmental Health Sciences is located within the School of Public Health. Our faculty are also involved in other schools within the University of Buffalo, so that students have an opportunity to be actively engaged with faculty that are not only environmental epidemiologists, but toxicologists, chemists, environmental engineers, geographers.
There's a very high incidence of lung cancer among Chinese women. However, there's such a low prevalence of smoking that it was very interesting to try and figure out what could be causing it. So we started looking into homes and realized that a lot of the Chinese women are still using coal and other solid fuels to heat their homes.
One of our faculty is working on air pollution and is doing a study in Beijing that was related to the Olympics.
Air pollution are associated with increased risk of cancer, different cancers, and also cardiovascular disease. So this gives us an opportunity to look at how human response one air pollution level dramatically go down, and then how the body responds when the air pollution level go back again.
We have been developing an Android smartphone application. We plan to use it for a 3-month period for each participant. So we'll have the location data as well as the time data that would allow us to estimate exposure to air pollution relative to what's been measured at the EPA's air quality monitoring stations in the area.
My current research is focused primarily on the impact of pesticide exposures in Egypt on human health. And are we doing PCB analysis as well? The ultimate impact of our research is to get our results published in the best peer-reviewed journals we can. By doing that, the research will actually become available to the public. It'll be available to government agencies throughout the world.
I also am involved with a community organization called the Clean Air Coalition of Western New York. A lot of the effects of environmental problems disproportionately affect lower income people and certain minority groups. So environmental justice also looks at the fact that there's these disparities that we have to be very sensitive to and address.
You get a very well-rounded education. I learned about epidemiology and statistics as well as environmental health. You can travel the world and apply the public health that you learned here anywhere you want.